welcome to Saltos. There's a small waterfall right here. A little drizzle. Just to remind you, we're in Chile. Down in south. Nobody's here. It's kind of hard to get here, and the path is hidden. So see that? It's all hidden behind the tall grass. And I'm here to try the water here. From the little one here, they collected. They're collecting into that big one. Oh, I got all wet. Holy shit. Let me wipe it. Alright, when it's windy, it blows kind of far away from the wall. Ooh, let me back up a little bit. Alright, back in business. Beautiful day. How you can see, no clouds whatsoever. Just clear blue sky. Everything is green. Warm, like 70 something. And just a little reminder, it's January. So, okay, but let's try the water. I'm gonna drink it. Let me get to it. It's kind of not easy to get to it. Stuck in the water. All good. So, let's go back on the path, and see you next time.